Yo, what's going on, guys? I'm out here today. It's about 50 degrees. I'm happy to report it's finally starting to warm up, and it's bright as hell out here, so I got these shades on. Power washed this thing the other day. It's still a little bit dirty, but it's a little cleaner than it was. I think maybe we'll take it on the street and pop some wheelies. Keep practicing that, you know. I want to try to get good at them, so repetition. So, I've been slacking a lot on videos this winter, I know. I don't know, the cold weather just really had me down this winter, and I had no motivation to go outside and film anything. Just do a couple little warm-up laps here. Here in the snow. I can't wait till this crap is gone. Oh, I'm over it, guys. Can't freaking wait. Look at this crap. Oh yeah, this is a lot of fun. Tons of fun. Luckily, it's going to be warm all week, so hopefully this crap disappears. Feels nice to get out here, though, even though riding's not that much fun in the snow. I see other people on YouTube ripping in the snow like it's nothing. I try it, and it's like impossible. So, I don't know. I mean, it looks quite nice. Seems like the wheelie bar is not hindering my riding. Although, obviously, I'm going to take it off. I'm not going to go ride around with this stupid thing on there. But for right now, we're gonna leave it on. Pretty soon I'm gonna be stripping, you know, this bike down and cleaning behind the plastics, under the gas tank, and cleaning this freaking mess up, because this thing is starting to look disgusting. And you don't want a new bike like this to look disgusting. It's funny how around here, when you get used to 20-degree weather, it warms up to 50 and it feels like hot. Like doing a little bit of activity on the dirt bike, and now I'm like sweating. Yeah, it's got this little pond back here. Oh yeah, getting weak on the edges. It's still pretty thick over here. This will be the last day I feel comfortable walking out here. I was out here yesterday with the dogs sliding around, and it was like perfect ice, like skating rink. I almost wish I had ice skates, you know? Like it was glass, but not today. Now it's slush. The street's pretty much the only place I can rip. Yeah, that was a good one. show you guys another cool thing that happened today. Some more good news is I got in here and I put in the key and Mustang started right up. I don't know how the battery's not dead from winter. It's been so cold, but I guess it's got a fresh battery. Kind of unbelievable, but whatever. If you haven't seen my Mustang yet, it's a 1985 GT Fox body, and I'm building it into kind of like a race car, street strip car. So it's fully gutted. It's got no interior in here. Look at these big old meats on there. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about. So pretty soon I'm going to be working on this thing again. It's going to be getting a bunch of new parts this year. And we're going to be taking it to the track, trying to set a new personal best, which I don't think is going to be too difficult, but we got a new transmission to throw in there. I got to get a bunch of stuff ordered, nitrous kit, a whole bunch of stuff. So hopefully that motor's strong enough to hold the nitrous. I'm going to make another video soon. So if you're into drag racing, Mustangs, or hearse purs in general, then yeah, subscribe for that. Also, I've done a little work to the go-kart. This thing is pretty much ready to rip again. I might do a few more things to it, but once the snow melts, we can start ripping this thing again. And then 144 is just sitting over here. I don't know what I'm going to do with this 144. I'm going to try to ride it more this year. And if I don't enjoy riding it, then maybe it'll go. Well, guys, I think that's going to be the video for today. And hopefully the snow melts this week. And I'll be up on the trails ripping very soon, within a couple days, make another video for you guys. Peace!